Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do another unboxing from yesterday's purchase from the Louis Vuitton store. So this is the item that I bought yesterday. So the items is the Kirigami pouches. Okay, so a lot of you have the Kirigami for some times now, but I haven't think of getting one until yesterday my essay showed me, and then I got tempted and finally I just made the purchase. So the Kirigami is made out of 3 different sizes pouch. 1, 2, and 3. How cute! So actually we have 3 pouches for the price of 1. What I like about this is actually the inside color, even though this is all plain monogram, but they do have beautiful colors inside. And I think I can use these pouches separately. So I think, yeah, I may as well just buy this one. And because I'm going to purchase Kirigami, I've been looking for an insert for the insert of this Kirigami. MB Mini Shop actually sent me an insert for this Kirigami. Let me show you one by one. So this package came in today super fast because I just got the Kirigami yesterday and then she sent me this and it arrived today. So these are actually the insert for the Kirigami. It came in 3 different sizes, obviously, and 3 different colors, matching the liner of the Kirigami pouch. How cute! Okay, let me just show you how we can use it in the Kirigami. I love how the color of the insert is quite matched with the insert of the Kirigami. So this is one. This is the medium size. How cute! It's really small and cute. It even has the little slit pocket in here. So this is how they look like. Has the slit pocket on the side. And this one. What I like about this insert is they do have a metal thing to hook strap in here, so on the both side. So let me try to hook it up to make it a crossbody. This is just a gold chain from my Rebecca Minkoff. I'm going to hook it here. Another way of using the strap is using another Elfie strap. Just put it here. So that was waste of using the Kirigami pouch because of the insert from the MB Mini Shop. I can put in some straps over here, so if I want my hands to be free, I could do that. Or if you have like charm, if you want to put charm, you can also do that. Let me show you. This is how the pouch looks like with the charm. If you wanna walk around with the charm. Another thing, if you think the hardware is going to damage the pouch, you can always use twilly. So this is what I do with the twilly. I make a note in here, and then the note is inside. Like this, and the other side. So I made the knot from the inside, so it will not stretch out this side. So this way we can use it as shoulder bag also, and this is nicer for the pouch. So after this, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be putting in the Kirigami pochette for the large size. I probably would just bring a card wallet and my phone, iPhone X, and I have to bring my people. I could put in small lipstick. And press it. It's quite tight, but I think it's still comfortable. Let me show you what we can put in the medium size. Okay, let me try. think I cannot put my phone if I have the insert, but if I don't use the insert, I will be able to put in but that's about it. You maybe can put in some a very thin card wallet, but I will not be able to bring my key. This is the medium size. Let me try to put in my wallet. This also just enough. I cannot bring my card wallet and phone together. That is impossible. That is not big enough. So, yep. And the small one, obviously, I can just put maybe earpods or some cards in it. Okay guys, so that is my review for today for the Kirigami pochette, and thank you MB Mini Shop for sponsoring the insert for this Kirigami. If you would like to purchase this, I will link her Instagram down below so you can order from her, and that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!